Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Beatrix Mobile Legends Easy Guide. Start by choosing the right build for long-range harass, then place turrets near choke points. Focus on safe poke and rotate turrets to control objectives. Use your ultimate to burst isolated targets after softening them with turret fire. Prioritize vision and map awareness so turrets support your team during fights without overextending. Beatrix relies on smart turret placement and timely weapon swaps to dominate lanes. Keep turrets hidden until fights start, then reveal them to surprise enemies and apply pressure. Swap to burst mode for lethal combos and back to poke mode to maintain lane control. Manage cooldowns and item windows so you can reposition safely, use ultimates decisively, and always protect your turrets while contributing to team fights. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. On another note, quick recommendation. I recently read a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that really reshaped how I view saving and investing, and it felt relevant to planning in-game economy and resource management. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. A flexible build helps Beatrix shine in varied matchups, so start with core attack items, then adjust for enemy composition. Prioritize penetration and cooldown reduction early to keep your burst available in skirmishes. Swap defensive pieces if enemies target you, and consider utility items to survive ambushes. Communicate build shifts with your team so everyone knows when you can poke, siege, or commit to objectives confidently.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.